Captivz Clash Edition.
Hoorah!
Let's go discover what we can find inside.
Right guys, before we jump into this video, we need you guys to like and subscribe to this channel because we've got so many more videos just like this one. And stick around to the very, very end for the Tiny Treehouse treasure chest surprise! Without further ado, let's get into opening these bad boys.
Let's go now. On the front of the
Here we go.
packaging, guys, so if you can see, there's a dinosaur eye, so it's like it's actually
Ooh, it's
looking
like
at you.
blinking.
So we've got the dinosaur eye on the front just here, and it's one great big egg. So you can have a little go, Jesse. Let us know who's in your egg
Okay,
today.
let's crack it open. 3, 2, 1.
Crack.
Whoa! This is a lot of stuff. So right here we have.
Ooh.
Wow! It's a Jurassic World map of Isla Nubar.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Right, I took the first bit of my dino egg off. There we go.
Hat. You look like a soldier. Ah! 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 Oh no, that
It
failed.
cracked.
Look
What
what
you
I
got there?
found. The pullback dinosaur car.
Wait!
What?
Let's get mine and then we can race them.
Okay, good idea. That was a close one. That was a
Hold
close
that
one.
thought, Jesse. Hold that thought.
I'll line mine up
Wait.
good so it's ready to go
You're
fast.
sitting really far. We need to make room. We need to make a racetrack on the dining
It's ready to
table.
go.
You got a Velociraptor and I got
That's
the
a
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Should we show everyone
Yeah.
the side?
Mine is a Velociraptor.
And mine is a T-Rex. And I've got one big engine on the back of mine. And you've got three.
I've got 3, yeah.
Yours must be really fast, right?
Okay.
And I'm going to try and go off the table that way faster before you. Why is
3,
mine not revving?
2, 1,
Yeah.
go!
Ah! Mine did a
Go.
wheelie! A wheelie!
She's lying.
We need an action replay.
Go.
We need to slow that down. Mine did a wheelie. I was like, ah! And then wheeled backwards. I don't even know who won. I got too excited. Mine did tricks. Did yours do tricks?
Mine did a drift. Mine did a Tokyo drift.
Didn't do a wheelie,
Yeah.
did it?
You find it really hard to drift.
Did they?
Yeah, they can wheelie.
When they-
Dinosaurs can wheelie all the time.
When they told you that,
Told me
how
that.
did it sound? What did it say?
They went. In Human translation, that goes. It's easy to wheelie, but it's hard to drift. That's what he said.
Here
Yeah, me too.
is my backpack clip. Inside my backpack
that's it.
clip, we have got some cool little bits. So I've actually got down here. Oh, it looks like a pterodactyl. Oh no, it's a
Oh, where's my backpack?
Dimorphodon.
And I've got a Dimorph. Guess what I've got?
I don't know.
A Stiggy.
You look like someone just
I
stepped
was
on
like
the tail.
half the horse head.
Right, there's your backpack clip. On to the next thing. I've got a dice in here. Why have we got a dice?
Nice. Alright, might go for a game.
Battle game, guys. We've got a battle game, guys.
Oh, yes.
We'll
now
come
it
to
gets
that. I
interesting.
think we should open our dino waves
Right,
next.
okay.
Yeah. But whilst you vote that, guys, look at all these stickers that you can get on here.
There we
So
go.
we've got a big T-Rex over there. Over here, we've got a Stegosaurus. Triceratops. You've got some raptors. That one is blue from Jurassic World. It's my favourite.
Ugh!
What is it?
Ah! Slime! Ugh!
What do you think's in the slime?
I don't know. Do you want to just hold that there?
Thank you. Oh, okay. I thought you were giving me. Oh.
I don't know how to open this because
Well, I was going to say I can't open that.
it's like too slippery.
Slimy! I don't know how to open this one now because I've got slimy hands.
Okay.
So, what type of dinosaur have you got? Is that like a...
I need the
You need the instructions, yeah?
yeah.
Oh, I've got build your dinosaur eggs. Okay. So I need this. I need to get rid of the slime. I need to open the dino egg. We're going to open it up. We're going to crack the egg.
Crack.
Crack the egg. Third time lucky. Crack the egg.
Crack the egg.
Ta-da! I've got 3 bits for mine. So I'm going to stick the head on like this. Ready for battle.
Oh no, lovely. More slime. Ooh.
Astro!
Slow motion. Oh, take out the dinosaurs.
And now I just need my final dino ready for battle. Breaking into our final egg, everybody. It's almost time for the biggest dinosaur battle of the century. We need to scramble these eggs. Let's go.
Scramble, scramble, scramble.
Scramble.
Oh, stickers too.
What's on your stickers? Are they the same as
I've
mine?
got a T-Rex, I've got a blue, I've got a Jurassic World sticker, I've got a Triceratops, I've got a Stegosaurus, as I've said, I've got all the dinosaurs, I love dinosaurs. Oh, which dinosaur have you got?
Ooh, I've got
Slimy hands! Oh my
a
god!
Brachiosaurus. Right, where's the egg gone? Where's the egg? I've only got. Oh, there it is. Brachiosaurus with the long neck. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I deserve a sticker. I've worked really hard all day. Well, I think it's time to clear as much as possible and figure out how to have a dino
Yeah, okay, so
battle.
let's collect all our dinosaurs.
Woo! Let's get the eggs out of the way. Whoop.
Get off
Whoop.
there.
Whoop.
There we go, put our dinosaurs here.
Yeah.
This is that.
Okay, so guys, whilst Jesse does a little bit of a tidy up,
Alright.
in this battle game,
Yeah.
best for 2 or more players. We can invite our treehouse friends. We could ask Squeaks.
Oh, we could!
Let's learn how to play it first. So we've got to get our battle tokens ready, which
Right.
we've just kind of put in the slime.
Have we?
These are your battle tokens and they tell you what your dinosaurs can do. On the back it tells you what dinosaurs you can collect. So let's fly through very, 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 very
There we
quickly. quickly.
Okay.
And then we can just have a big fight and we can play the game later on with Squeaks. You don't want to miss out right now. We have got the flying one, which is our Dilophosaurus. Ooh! We've got our Brachiosaurus, which you already said.
Got Stiggy over here.
Stiggy.
Stiggy.
And I think that's what we've got right now.
We got blue as well.
And blue. Right, are you ready then?
Alright, here we go.
Ready? Guys, dino battle. Who's going to win? Me or Jesse? Make sure that you like and subscribe and keep up to date on all of our stuff. Now guys, it's really tense down here in the tiny treehouse because not only have we still got to find our treasure chests, we've got an epic dino battle right in front of us.
And let us know who you think's going to win. Shout it out now. Do you think it's going to be Daisy?
Team Daisy?
Or Team Jesse?
Or Jesse. Here we
Let's
go.
3, 2, 1,
fight!
go!
No, I got your back. I got your back. I'm coming!
Oh, it did a drift, it did a 360 and went off the ramp. Whoa!
And I think we've still got one which is injured. It's injured.
Oh no, but you think he's alive?
Daisy. We're still standing.
He's still alive,
We're still standing.
Whoa!
Okay, wait, what's that?
He wants to open up some chests.
Open up some treasure chests.
chests.
Well, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a dinosaur there. You're gonna hurt me. Oh, you better bit.
Oh, is it a nice dinosaur?
Oh, there you go. Good dinosaur. Ah, oh, sorry. Okay.
One. We've got one. Say
Whoa!
more. Give
There's
us one.
5 stacked up. Whoa,
5?
There's 5. Okay, it doesn't topple over.
Don't want to step
Whoa.
over.
Whoa.
Here you go, Blue.
We've never had this many treasure chests in our lives.
This is the most ever. 1,
Never.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 treasure chests.
Oh, where do we start? Jesse, I think we better
Yeah.
get started.
Okay, which one are we going to open first?
I've chosen this one.
This one. Okay, go on.
Ready?
Go for it.
3, 2,
Here we go.
1, boom!
Whoa!
It's the Zuru 5 Surprise Volcano Dino Strike. We've got
Oh.
2. We should take them for another day.
Definitely. Okay, alright. I'm going to open up this one here. What the fancy pattern? What would it
Ooh,
be?
it's
3,
pretty.
2, 1.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Ooh.
It's a Stegosaurus skeleton. Whoa!
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, it's another one. It's not just any dinosaur. It's a T-Rex. Jump. It's the biggest dinosaur that we've got.
Whoa.
Beat that, Jesse.
Okay, alright. I'll try my best. I'm going to go with this one.
Okay.
Here we go. Let's try and open it up. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Whoa!
I'm sorry.
Whoa!
I'm sorry.
Whoa! What the?
It's a Brachiosaurus.
Is there anything else in there?
But how?
What the? Get
No,
back!
that doesn't make
Get
any
it.
sense. Jesse,
Yeah?
if you got a Brachiosaurus out of that one, what do we think is going to go on to this one?
3, 2,
2,
1.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my
my days!
Jesse!
How the heck did he cram himself in there? Well, I mean, it looks like he snapped his leg from cramming himself inside that
Yeah.
tiny little box.
And that's what happens when dinosaurs do contortion. We've got a Brachiosaurus. We've still got 3 boxes left.
What's
Jess.
next, Daisy?
I don't know. Would you like to do the honors?
Alright, okay, here we go.
Okay.
3,
2,
1. Whoa! Whoa! It's the Indominus Rex!
Oh
No way!
How
That is
much-
crazy. Well, we've got 2 more chests.
2 more. I'm doing this
Okay.
one. But these are a
Alright.
bit bigger. What could possibly come
Shall I
out of
open up
these?
that one?
Let's move the Indominus Rex out the way. We need to make room for any
Yeah.
more massive creatures. Are you
Yeah.
ready? 3,
2, 1.
1. Jump!
No.
I think you look like a Philip.
Philip. Well, we've got one last one to
We've got
open,
one
so
left.
God only knows.
Phil, we
what's
could have
gonna
done
be
with you two
inside.
before for our dino battle.
Okay. So, are you ready to open it? In 3, 2, 1.
Jump!
Oh, no more dinosaurs! Oh, there's a Stegosaurus here. His tail came off. There you go. Pop that back on there.
And guys, we've got another T-Rex over here.
Another one. So many dinosaurs in one video. But hey, Daisy, I've had the best idea ever.
You have?
How about we have a massive, ginormous dinosaur battle right here, right now, here in the tiny treehouse.
That's the bestest idea you've ever had in the world. I'm
Okay.
gonna have the Carnotaurus and all
Okay.
these little guys.
Alright, I'm gonna go for this. Oh, he's not very sharp.
With the Brachiosaurus, do you want to
Brachiosaurus.
help?
Okay.
Are you ready, guys? Here we go.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
run!
Ah, who's this little guy now?
Oh, who's he stamping his head?
Cute.
Let's
Let's keep
Oh, he's got me on!
No, it's got me.
Oh no, oh, it's got me too! Ow, 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 dead.
Carnotaurus is down. And all the babies are attacking the Carnotaurus. But in comes the Brachiosaurus to help them. The Brachiosaurus has fallen over. And he's back. Oh no. He hasn't fallen. So he was back in.
He's just like stamp on them. Oh, the Brachiosaurus is the winner!
Well, guys, I think that's it for us today. We'll see you next
Cheers, everyone.
time.
Bye.